Ooh, I'm so irritable. Oh my god.
That was perfect timing.
I'm never irritable.
Yeah, you're always so sweet. You never mean, you don't say anything bad to anybody.
I got a little pillbox for myself.
Nice.
11 plus 12
What's that?
inches.
11 plus 12 inches is?
23!
23 inches, which is what? Just a foot, 2 feet.
No, dude.
Gotcha.
I did not know that.
Oh, yeah, bye-bye. I'll see you in 12 days.
Yeah, you just go outside. You don't even go shopping. Bad parents.
All right, let's do it.
Where do we go?
Is that what you want?
No.
You're here for a list. You need a list of things.
The list is here.
I guess we can start here. You look so lost.
Wine glassy?
Perfect. Oh, I was thinking about great for film shots.
Your bagels, sir?
Nice, yeah. And then you put stuff on your head and you serve it to your friends.
Yes, exactly. Oh, you're served. Serve roasting. No, I'm fine.
No? Yeah, it's true.
It's for composting.
You want to compost?
Yeah.
Get it.
I'll ever have this much though.
Yeah.
Okay, I need you for a quick second to imagine this girl right here that is overthinking whether or not she should buy this composting trash can. And imagine her shopping alone, going through the process of whether or not she should buy anything. And just imagine how just impossible that could be. This is all meant for fun. Honestly, I had so much fun. I'm having so much fun editing this video. But I see like my panic about to unleash, and the fact that I had my friend there really just like kept me from that. Although, fun fact, I actually did freak out at the end of this day, and I had a really big like just, I guess, mental like whatever you want to call it, breakthrough of just feeling so exhausted with thinking and making decisions. And it just really put me in a situation where I realized that I am now at a point where I have to make decisions for myself in every single aspect of my life. And because I care so much about my environment, it really impacts and affects what I choose to surround myself with. And I don't know if it's like the Virgo in me, if I have some sort of OCD, maybe I'm just a perfectionist, I don't know what it is. And maybe it's just not even that big of a deal. But I have seen that my indecisiveness like literally makes me break down in stores and like make a scene. And it's just not fun, and it's really like annoying. I feel like a little freaking baby. And maybe it's just that. Maybe I'm just like spoiled or a brat or whatever. Either way, I need to know that other people feel like this or don't, so I know whether this is normal or not. Either way, this is my least favorite characteristic about myself, and I am going to work on changing it, although it's pretty funny. So lighthearted, you know, your girl is growing and also, you know, realizing things about herself. All right, let's get back into the video.
I feel like I need to research more.
Yeah, before you buy.
Yeah.
Just in case this isn't the right thing.
See, I don't just buy stuff because they're cool.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I need a mirror.
You need a mirror?
Dude, you look huge.
I look huge.
Like huge.
Massive. Oh my god. Don't need anything here? No. Really?
Or,
Oh yeah.
the Q-tips. And what else?
Sugar and coffee. Probably not real, huh?
It's so sad. It's like a bunch of cows lying there.
Yeah, I know.
I'll take one. Oh, this is cool.
It's your people.
People?
No, I said it's your people. No, I meant to say you specifically.
I don't need it now, but it's good to Oh wait, just Should get the basic YouTuber one.
Which one's that?
That white one over there.
Is that what everyone has?
That one over there.
Where? Come. I can't. Perfect. Which one's the basic one? This one. Oh. How do you know it's the basic one?
Because I see it in all the influencers' selfies.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You've never seen it?
Well, then you need to get one of these if you're gonna be an influencer.
Have to, right?
Yeah. Watching a shopping cart.
What's this one? This one's out on sale.
99. It's like a house of mirrors, except you look the same in all the mirrors.
Exactly. This is the worst part. Right there.
Which one? Oh. This guy?
Yeah. Or should I like find one in a thrift store?
I think you go to a thrift store
Yeah,
maybe.
right?
But these are
Thank you.
99. These are, oh, that's $50. That's not too bad.
That's little.
Yeah.
Who needs this? What is
People.
this, 1 minute?
Okay, I want to justify myself really quick and explain. Partially, okay, one, I didn't go prepared to IKEA. I literally took some measurements of my apartment and was like, yup, I'm ready. When really, you need to like know every single measurement of your apartment if you're going to go shop for it. So that's one thing I should probably do so that, you know, shopping isn't so hard for me. Especially when you live in a studio apartment where the measurements are important. Another thing, IKEA is just like the absolute worst. Like it's literally made, I think, to make you fucking lose your mind. Like absolutely go psychotic. Like have a psychotic breakdown, find out you're actually, you know, mentally ill. I think that's what IKEA was made for. So yeah. This was fun though. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want more of these, like follow me around while I do a very basic task, but try to make it as fun as possible, let me know. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye.